Hello there everyone, and welcome back Poochies. My name is Pumpachu, and today we're going to be opening 5 Pokemon cards from third parties. I don't know the exact name for it, but yeah. But first, I got a little bit of a surprise for you Poochies. I got 3 legendary bird plushies, and here they are. First one is Articuno, which is very cute. I couldn't resist getting them, all 3 of them. Here's one. And Zapdos. He's really cute too. I really like how his wings are all spiky. Really nice. And then, final, you guys guess? Moltres, of course. Which is really cute too. I like how the fire is like fluffy. Really cool. Here's the tail. And of course they're the Pokemon sitting cuties. And now you can buy them in the Pokemon Center. Not sure if all stores sell them or not, but I was lucky to find them. But anyways, let's start with the 5 third-party Pokemon cards that I do not know, to be honest, what's inside them. They're all XY cards, so I was like, hey, that's kind of getting old, so why not grab it? Even though I don't really know if these are good or not, but I thought, why not try it for this video? So it includes 1 booster pack and 5 cards inside. This one is Roaring Skies. I have a Primal Clash. I have another one. Oh, here it is. And then I got a Roaring Skies and XY. So let's start with both of the Roaring Skies, I guess. And why not do... let's just do Deoxys. Okay, so let's try to open this and not see the cards. I'm not sure if they're facing down or no. Well, this is great. Let me put down the cards so I don't see them. There we go. So let's see what we got. For Ugly, hopefully we can get some reverse hollows or some hollows in this, or are they all... There's Glameow. It's a pretty nice Glameow, to be honest. The moon. And I guess, yeah, you just get just commons and maybe some rares, I don't know. Oh, this one's like from a Pikachu set or something. So cool. I don't have any of these cards except Electrike. I guess I have this one. Might have the Perugly also, not sure. Oh well. Let's just open this XY Roaring Skies. So this is XY. There's only 3 to the front, I believe. Okay, double Dragon Energy. Ooh, cool. Dragonair? I don't think I have that Dragonair. Very cute. Latios Spirit Link. Sparrow. Voltorb. Inkay. Cascoon. Meowth. Ooh, reverse Wingull. Pretty nice. And, ooh, not a holo, but pretty cool Articuno. Hey, perfect for him. But of course it's just a non-holo, but still really cool. So there you go, Articuno. It's your card now. So next Roaring Skies. Let's see what we're gonna get with the 5 cards inside. And I still wonder if they're all gonna be just commons. Okay. See what our cards are. A very cute Blitzel. A Minetric. Pikachu. Ooh, that's actually really cool. Be cool to have a holo of him. Are they all like from the Pikachu set? Am I gonna collect all of them with this? Another Electabuzz and Fletchling. That's kind of cool. I wonder, in the end of this video, I'm gonna show if I got them all or not, or which ones I'm missing. It's pretty interesting that it's all from that set. Put it in the pile with all the Pikachu set. And let's see. Here's the Roaring Skies booster. Open it up. One, two, three. Tranquil. Wally. Voltorb. Gligar. Puppet. Another Meowth. More of him, I guess. Cascoon. And a reverse Shuppet. Interesting. And another Articuno. Okay. Well, 2 Articuno cards for Articuno himself. Interesting. Okay. So let's try Primal Clash now. I really don't like these boxes, but it does kind of make it easier to not see the cards in front. So our cards are another Blitzel. Oh, it is the Pikachu, okay. And we already have that one, Glemeow, same, and a Tailo, that's new. But we got something new, and that's it. So now the Primal Clash. One, two, three. Arcobike, Nidoqueen, Magcargo, Horsey, Chinchou, Tamino. That is mouth? Oh, I just realized that it's mouth. I thought it was like a little color in the front. Nidoran, female, Tentacool, and a reverse Feel, which is really cool. He looks like he's having fun. And, ooh, a holo Medicham. Very cool. I do like that. Let's put him into the sleeve. So nice and protected. There you go. Very nice. Okay, our last Primal Clash. Let's open this up. Let's see our cards. And it seems that they're not the Pikachu ones. But, whoa. The 2009 one. Kirby. Rogunk. Ghastly. Staryu. Vanillite. And that's it. Kinda cool that I got one bit older one from Diamond and Pearl, I believe. Okay, now Primal Clash booster. Three to the front. Professor Birch. Double Blade. Teammates. Schoolgirls. Nosepass. Binda. Horsey. Shoot Horsey. Giddy. Ingala. A reverse Kakuna. Very nice. And just the normal Probopass. Which I need to get him in Pokemon Go. Alright, I believe we're on the last one. XY. Pretty excited for this one. Hopefully we get something good. So our cards are another Electabuzz, another Fletchling, another Sir Ugly, and a Trike, and the Pikachu. Well, I don't think we collected it all. Sure. Have to check in the end of the video. But anyways, the XY booster pack. Okay, hopefully we get something good. One, two, three, to the front. Loomis, I'm not sure if I said that right. Hard Charm, Electroid, Boink, Giddy, Smelling a Flower, Weedle, a Electric Energy, Timber, in our reverse, very cute, and ooh, wait, isn't this card in Pokemon trading card game where he's pretty OP and you have a lot of bench Pokemon? I was using him a lot. A very cool Hollow Raichu. Well, I'm glad I have this in person now. He's really cool. Put a sleeve on him. There you go. So I guess nothing really lucky. It's these two hollows from 5 of them. I'm not really sure if this Articuno card is rare or not. I'm guessing there's like a hollow version of it or reverse. And I'm not sure if these boxes are great or not from third party. I don't know if they weigh them or not. Or it just might be just my luck. Not the luckiest person. But I'm glad to have these two in my collection. So we didn't collect all of them. And I'm guessing they're from a Pikachu theme deck or something. Because there's a lot of the same cards. But oh well. Because see, there's him, but he has a different number. And him with a different number again. And her with a different number. But yeah, I guess they're just the same cards and all. Which is still cool if I can collect it all. But a really interesting set, I would say. Well, that'll be everything for today. Not sure if they were the best pulls from a third-party Pokemon seller. Maybe you Poochies know and tell me in the comments if you open this and you've got anything like amazing like a GX or something. Anyways, if you like to follow my Twitter or my Instagram to see these follows and reverses, I'll be posting it there. If you enjoyed this video, give it a pause up. Lets me know if you do guys enjoy this. Alright, it was fun everyone. Bye!